If you don't like your rental, you're not alone. Many renters feel stuck with the bland, impersonal look of their temporary homes. But just because you live in a rental doesn't mean you can't make it feel like your own. Then this video is for you. We've got some fantastic tips to help you transform your space without breaking any lease agreements. Let's dive into 10 easy hacks to transform your rental into a cozy, personalized haven. Hack number 1, removable wallpaper. It adds personality without the commitment. You can choose from a variety of patterns and colors to match your style. Number 2, command hooks. These little wonders can hold everything from art to pots and pans. They're easy to install and remove, leaving no damage behind. 3-area rugs. They're perfect for adding color and covering less than stellar flooring. Plus, they can define different areas in an open-plan space. 4, temporary blinds or curtains. Swap out those boring ones for something that matches your style. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. 5, change up the lighting with plug-in lamps or string lights. Big impact, no wiring needed. Lighting can set the mood and make your space feel more inviting. 6, floating shelves. They're great for storage and won't leave a mark. Use them to display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. 7, use peel and stick tiles for a kitchen or bathroom facelift. They're easy to apply and can be removed without damaging the original surfaces. 8, furniture stickers can give your old pieces a fresh new look. They come in various designs and can be a fun way to update your furniture. 9, add plants. They bring life and freshness to any space, whether you prefer large leafy greens or small succulents. Plants can make your rental feel more like home. And finally, number 10, washi tape for fun, temporary designs on walls or furniture. It's an easy way to add a pop of color or create unique patterns. So go ahead, make your rental feel like home sweet home. With these simple hacks, you can create a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel comfortable and happy every day. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement hacks and ideas. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.